Screen is visible? Hello? Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this problem we have solved in the last class, yes? So in the previous class, I was actually given one problem for you people to solve. So I don't know how many of you solved that one. Just let all the people should join first. So this was the problem. We have already solved this one, no? Okay. So this problem, you people have to solve this one. Solve it now. We has already solved. You wait with answer. We has not yet solved. You people try to solve this one. So until all other people join, you people try to solve this problem. So the inductance of attraction type instrument is given by L equal to 10 plus phi theta minus theta square microhenry. It is in microhenry, where theta is the angle of deflection in radian from zero position. From the zero position, how much it is deflected, they are not given, but theta is nothing but angle of deflection from zero to non-zero value. 0 to non-zero value. The spring constant is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Newton meter per radian. The spring constant means which one? Spring constant means that is called K. So find out the deflection for a current of 5 ampere. The current I is given, the K is given, L is given. You have to calculate the theta value. So I will write here the K value is given. Just a minute, I will connect the pad. I will connect. It has displayed the next answer also, yes. So according to the problem, K equal to 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Newton meter per radian. The given data here is given here now. So I equal to how much it is? 5 ampere they have given here now. L equal to 10 plus 5 theta minus theta square, that is called microhenry. Microhenry is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6 Henry here. Okay, what is the formula for theta? Theta equal to 1 by 2 I square by K dl by d theta. Yes, we have derived this one in the torque equation. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
So this formula we have already derived in the torque equation of the moving iron instrument. Okay, So according to this formula, what is the given data here? According to this formula, what is the given data? 1 by 2 is constant. I is given here now. Yes. K is given here now. The L is given, but dl by d theta we have to calculate here. To calculate this one, already L is given here now. L equal to 10 plus 5 theta minus theta square. He has given here now. So how will get dl by d theta? This L we have to do the differentiation with respect to what? By doing the L differentiation with respect to the theta. So we'll get dl by d theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So differentiating L with respect to theta, that is called dl by d theta equal to, what is the answer? Anyone, can you tell me? Differentiation of 10 with respect to theta. What is the answer? What is the answer? Differentiation of 1 with respect to x. What is the answer?